Hello, dear students. So, let's continue. And live alone in the beloved glad. Live alone in the beloved glad. Beloved means honeybees. Glad means grass covered area without trees. When bees are moving here and there in the clean area. So he live alone in the clean area where honeybees are moving here and there. Clear? Next, and I shall have some peace there. So the main desire is reflected here. Poet wanted to get some peace. Peace for comes dropping slow. Peace for comes dropping slow means he was frustrated from city's life and he wanted peace. He wanted some slow actions. Dropping from the wheels of morning to where the cricket sings. Where the cricket sings. Cricket is a insect. And dropping from the wheels of morning. Wheels of morning. Here the poet has used personification. Veil means ghungat. Morning is represented as a woman and veil ghungat, and from the veil of morning where cricket sings, जहाँ पे क्रिकेट गाना गा रहा है, यानी कि मॉर्निंग के घूंघट से गाने की आवाज़ आई, वो वहाँ पर रहना चाहता है. There midnights all the glimmer. There midnights all the glimmer and noon as purple glow. And noon as purple glow. Glimmer means dim light. Glimmer means dim light. Purple, dark reddish blue color. Purple is color. So what did he want to say? He wanted to say, there midnights all a glimmer. A dim light will be there in midnight and noon a purple glow. Their afternoons in midday, the color of the sky will be purple. And evenings full of linnet's wings. Linnet is a bird. And evenings when he will live in Innisfree, he saw birds moving here and there in the sky in the evening. In the first paragraph, he shows that he go to Innisfree, then he will make a hut from mud and leaves and branches. He grow some beans and he could have honeybees there, and he will live alone and he will listen the sound of honeybees. In the second paragraph, he also shows his desire to get some peace. He wanted to slow down his life. He was frustrated from city life, so he wanted to see some beauty of nature. He wanted to listen cricket's songs. He wanted to see midnight, the light of midnight, and he wanted to see the color of noon, and he wanted to see some birds moving here and there in the sky in the evening. In third paragraph, come to the next third paragraph. I will arise and go now for always night and day. Now he will say, I will arise. He will go. He also showing here his desire to go to Innisfree. I hear the lake water lapping with low sounds by the shore. Lapping with low sounds by the shore means when water comes, when waves come, and with wave water comes and it lap with land. Lapping sound. While I stand on the roadway, on the pavement's grey, I hear it in the deep heart's core. I hear it in the deep heart's core. Pavement. What is pavement? Pavement means sidewalk. Sidewalk like पगडंडी आपने देखी होगी खेतों में पतली पतली गलियारे से होते हैं, उनको कहते हैं पेवमेंट. जब वो while I stand on the roadway, जब वो पगडंडियों में खड़ा होगा, then the sounds I hear it in the deep heart's core, तो मुझे मेरे दिल की गहराइयों से ये आवाज़ सुनाई देती है. It means he did not go anywhere, but he is thinking to go somewhere where he could get peace of mind. He wanted to leave a place alone where he could live with nature, with beauty, and away from cities' hasting life. Thank you.